Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Rain sensing wipers often stop working correctly after you get a new windshield. The sensor behind the rearview mirror needs to recognize the new glass. This process is called calibration or relearning. First, make sure the glass area over the sensor is perfectly clean. Any dirt or streaks can cause errors. Check that the sensor is firmly attached to the mounting bracket. Start by turning your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Set your wiper stalk to the auto or first intermittent position. Spray a light mist of water directly onto the sensor from outside the car. If the wipers swipe, the system might have reset itself. If nothing happens, you likely need a diagnostic tool. Plug an OBD2 scanner into the port under your dashboard. Navigate through the menu to the body control module or vision system. Look for an option labeled rain sensor initialization or reset. Select this function and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. The computer will clear the old data and map the new glass thickness. Once the process finishes, turn the car off for 1 minute. Turn the ignition back on and test the wipers with water again. Most modern vehicles require this electronic handshake to function. Some cars might let you reset this through the infotainment screen settings. Check your vehicle settings menu under lighting or convenience features. If your wipers still do not respond, the sensor gel pad might be damaged. A new gel pad ensures a clear view for the optical sensor. Proper calibration ensures your wipers react quickly to rain. This will restore the automatic function.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.